Data, data, data. Sir Arthur said, I cannot make bricks without clay. For us, our clay is data. Data of making bricks for school. Our team here has a dream to make schools a self-sufficient institution. We are a team of 3 members, development workers across India and Uganda. We have an experience of, in total, 20 years expertising on system strengthening, collaborations, networking, capacity building and data management. We would like to hereby stand today and propose a project on 3D in schools. Development through data decoding. Before I go to the 3D, I would like to ask a question. Can you guess how many hours a teacher spends in schools beyond teaching and how?
10 hours?
In India, a teacher spends 5 days in a month doing data gathering, mind it, not data analysis, through 56 registers. So, we want to ease the work of teachers, but at the same time organize data. So as a team, we hereby propose revitalizing school information system.
I would like to recollect bits from my past experience, both as a school principal and a classroom teacher. Always having piles of papers, piles of files, tasking the teachers to submit assessment, grades, so much information. I believe most of you identify with me, especially those of us who have been in schools. So overwhelming, mind-boggling. You don't know what to do with the data and the information. But also, have you thought about schools as the one most important pool of information, data that can be so resourceful, not just to the government, the global community, but the schools themselves, and most importantly, the teacher. The teachers are at the forefront of collecting this data, but because it doesn't make a lot of immediate sense for them, it's so irritating for them to collect it. We would like to harness our expertise together with your support to be able to build the capacity of teachers and schools so as to revitalize this data that is easily, readily at their disposal. How shall we do this? We are going to build a collaboration very meaningful and relevant among the teachers, the administrators, government, expertise, the global community, and the wider spectrum of education stakeholders. And this we shall do in 3 government schools in India and 3 government schools in Uganda. And as part of our 5-year plan, we would like to develop a tailor-made school information system together with this synergy. How will it help us? Look at the government, always looking for information. This 3D dimension that we are giving to schools will enable the government to have data readily available. The package will come with tools that are so simple to use, but comprehensive enough to provide information, not just for the schools, not just for government, but also the parents, but also the teachers, to be able to enrich their teaching and learning process. Why not join us?
So globally we understand that data is important, but right data organized is very efficient. Measurement without meaningful actions is not just useless, but is wasteful. So in our endeavor to make a meaningfulness, we want our schools by the end of 1 year to come up with customized school information system to use data efficiently. And in the long run, 5 years and ahead, we want the schools to become self-sufficient institutes of development change. So friends, across countries and profession, let's come together to make our schools a place of change, driving change on the wheel of information. Thank you.